Hi guys, so let's see together how we can read a CSV file. Let's suppose you have a file like this one with many numbers separated by a comma, for example here the time in seconds and the velocity of a car in meters per second. This file is called here velocity measurements.csv, and let's see how we can read this in Python. So we simply start by making a new cell here and importing the pandas library. So if you don't have the pandas library, you can install it by doing conda install pandas or pip install pandas. We then just simply use the read_csv function from the library with the file as a parameter to read it. And we can use the head function to see how it looks like. Now you see that pandas in fact sees the first line as the name of the column, which is not the case in my file. So if it's the same case in yours, you just add a parameter called header, which you put to none. So this fixes the problem. As a final step, you just now create a variable t, which refers to the first column, and then another variable v, which will be the second column. Let's check this now. So t should be the time vector, okay, and the same for v, it should be the velocity vector. Perfect. Now let's just do as a quick example a plot of this data. So we simply use the matplotlib library. So first let's make a figure by calling the subplots function. You can choose a size, for example 10 width and a 7 height, and then you take the axis and plot the two variables, and there you have it. So you can make things a little bit more fancy. Let's add an X label, so it's the time in seconds, and we add a Y label, the velocity. We can also add a title. Let's call this experiment 1. And finally just change the font size of these two labels and make the line width a little bit thicker. And there you have it. The code is available below. Please like this video if it helped you out, and feel free to ask any questions.